Hey, SaaSpreneurs and fellow high levelers, welcome to day 5 of our 30-day high level mastery, where I'm going to be sharing you one simple tip that you can go and implement in your business straight away to launch and scale your SaaS agency. So today we're going to look at offers. A lot of people talk about different types of offers, irresistible offer, find your ideal client avatar, and so on. So I'm just going to give you a different perspective, different terminology to it. All right. So when you think about high level CRM, for example, we've got, I think I was told we have more than 140 features that you can sell, right? So it's very hard and challenging if you're trying to sell the entire CRM to someone who comes in. Like if they don't understand the CRM, if they don't understand the need, if they don't understand the functionality, it can be pretty overwhelming. So I would classify my offers into 3 offers. All right. So one is a foot in the door kind of an offer, meaning what exact problem are they talking about? So meet the client where they are at. So if they're saying, I'm struggling to get Google reviews, I'm struggling to do anything with Google reviews, then just sell them the features and benefits of reputation management in high level. If they're talking about, I'm struggling to manage my social media, I'm using 5 different tools to get send it to my VA. My VA sends it to me, but then all these different things. Just sell the social planner. So if they have a huge database that they don't use, tell them that you can do a database reactivation campaign. So exact problem what they're facing, solve that problem first. So that's your first offer, put in the kind of an offer which will get them signed up under your agency as a client. So that's the foot in the door. But when you talk to them, you should know, okay, this will solve the immediate problem, but how can I help them scale? How can I help them grow? So that would be your upsell. So this is where you actually make profit, right? You actually make some money through the setup fee. So that's the second step, which is the upsell for the client that'll help them generate either more leads, more sales, or save them time, right? It's only one of these or more of these that they're going to pay you. And the third one is a retainer. So, what is the offer? What is the value that you can provide to the client that'll make them keep paying you ongoing on a monthly basis? So, I want you to sit down and think, what can I sell to somebody as a foot in the door kind of an offer? What is the potential upsell that I can sell them? And what is the offer or service that I can provide for them to keep paying me? So the retainer has to be really, really sticky. So when I was in the coaching world, people thought they can pause the contract during Christmas because, it's Christmas time. They don't want to do coaching. So when your offers feel like it's an optional one, they always choose to pause or stop. And if it's a pause or a stop, it's never coming back. So always make your offer sticky, meaning your offer should really, really help the client get more leads, get more sales, save more time. So they will never stop paying you. All right. So 3 different types of offers. Today's homework is to go back and try and find 3 or 4 offers in high level. That could be your foot in the door kind of an offer. And depending on the client's problem, you can plan your upsell and you can have your retainer mapped out. So minimum recurring revenue. Most of us start with 10K as our income goal every month. You would be surprised how soon you can hit that target. Like it's with the CRM, it becomes a no-brainer for 10K a month you can achieve in just few months. I think I hit it in 4th month after starting using the CRM. So it's more easy and quicker than you think. So go create those offers because you should be clear what you're selling. And once you're clear, then it just becomes so easy. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow.